Chat,
you got food all over the floor.
Chat.
bro. Chat, I didn't mean to do that. I pressed the wrong button, dog. I pressed the wrong button. I hate when I do that. I pressed the wrong
Why the
button.
fuck would he do that?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Chat, I pressed the wrong button, bro. I know, my nigga.
That was the wrong
I know.